Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. I hope you had a good couple of weeks off and that you're continuing to chip away at your assessment tasks. We already find ourselves pretty much halfway through the subject, and so time flies, and it's important that you stay on top of your workload. Okay, so look, week 8, accounting and reporting for sustainability. This week we look at how sustainability is integrated into accounting and more broadly how businesses are reporting on sustainability and what sort of frameworks are they using. So we talk about environmental aspects and how they're incorporated into accounting or traditional accounting. We look a bit at environmental management accounting, and we look at sustainability reporting principles and practices, and most importantly we focus on the GRI, or the Global Reporting Initiative, which is the most widely adopted framework for sustainability reporting in the world. Alrighty, so let me just find my way again and we'll be off. Alright, so again, as always, the text with a bit of background, 2 pieces of background reading for you. One, the Global Reporting Initiative website. So this is the global framework for corporate reporting on sustainability, as I said, that many organisations are now adopting. Covers off on all aspects of sustainability. So look at the frameworks, look at the different indicators, and you'll get a sense of why organisations like Westpac and CBA and Boral and Telstra and other organisations are integrating the Global Reporting Initiative into its disclosure strategy. We also look at the KPMG Survey of Corporate Responsibility Reporting, which is a regular survey. We look at the 2013 survey, and they assess how companies around the world are adopting and integrating sustainability reporting. And we're seeing that most large companies around the world are now reporting on their sustainability activities, and most of them are using the Global Reporting Initiative framework. Okay, the Watch and Reflect this week is looking again at those 2 resources, the GRI and the KPMG report, and this rapid growth in sustainability reporting in all sectors of the world. So again, have a look at those reports and get a sense of how and why those reports are being generated. Particularly think back to the section on stakeholders and who are the key stakeholders in these reports. It's clear that they're not targeted just at the financial markets, but they're targeted at other stakeholders. So again, have a think about who those stakeholders are. Then I get you to look at the ANZ corporate website and to have a think about some of the indicators and approaches being used by ANZ. The discussion forum this week is looking at environmental reporting and how organisations are capturing their environmental impact. So we're asking you to look at a short clip on ecological footprinting, which enables companies, of course, to assess their impacts, and then taking you into a background piece on Puma, or Puma, depending on where you come from and how you pronounce these things. But Puma, the sports goods company, have made some incredible headway in and shown some real leadership in terms of sustainability reporting. Their environmental disclosure is very thorough, and certainly they were the first organisation to generate, at least large organisation, to generate an environmental profit and loss account. And one of the things that exercise taught them was that actually using leather as a primary source of product is, in the longer term, unsustainable. And so they are looking at alternative, environmentally friendly and sustainable options to make shoes and bags and all of the things that Puma makes. So the sports good industry is really challenging itself in many ways, and obviously Nike too has had to rethink its policies, particularly around its supply chain, with some questionable practices that were uncovered some years ago around employment of underage workers and dreadful conditions in their factories. And so again, these EP&L statements are shedding some light and giving some guidance to companies on how they can improve their production practices. So like a short intro this week on accounting and reporting for sustainability with a strong focus on environment. Again, the textbook is pretty thorough on this. I'm sure you'll enjoy that. Get into the videos and maybe think about how this all relates to your own organisation and what more your own organisation could be doing to enhance its environmental disclosure. As always, I hope you enjoy the week and look forward to catching up on a webinar very soon. Thanks a lot.